Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious Valentine's Day Rice Krispie treats. They're absolutely adorable and I know you'll love them, so let's get started.
If you'd like to see how I made these Rice Krispie treats, you can find the link to that video down in the description box. After your Rice Krispie treats have cooled off, you want to cut them up into squares. I've got some white chocolate chips here that I'm going to decorate with. I'm going to melt them in the microwave. Dip straight down into the cup and then wipe off the bottom and the sides of your Rice Krispie treat and then lay it on top of some parchment paper. Do not forget the parchment paper. I promise it will save your life when it comes to getting these things off of the surface. It will peel right off, as well as any excess white chocolate. You can peel off the parchment paper and reuse it. So the rest of this is just complete creativity. You know, if you want to do sanding sugar, you want to do sprinkles, you want to do drizzles, it's completely up to you, and that's what's really fun about it, and you can have some really great treats for Valentine's Day.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.